welcome back. My name is Gigi. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today's video, I brought you another challenge. This challenge is much easier than the previous one. This one is just 10 minutes that you're gonna tidy up your house. So as you can see here, I put my timer on my phone. I'm just gonna be tidying up my house for 10 minutes. I'm gonna tidy up the places that I get visitors when someone comes to visit me. So if they come to visit me, I have them sit in the family room because that's where the TV is at. So I'm gonna tidy up this area and I'm gonna tidy up my table. My kitchen's already clean, so thank God, because 10 minutes wasn't gonna be enough for me to clean all that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing here. I'm just gonna wipe down things and tidy up a little bit so that when the visitor come in, they see that the house been clean. So this is what I'm gonna be doing here. I know the video is not that long, but I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.
I'm not being mean, I'm just being me. I don't make it easy, but I'm worth the while. All that I ask is for you to please my every need, to put in the time. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm through trying to tell you what to do, how to make me fall for you. You should learn that on your own. I play cool, cause I hope you pick it up soon, and you know just what to do. Don't you? Boy, just be honest. I know you want it. Put some work into it, cause you know that I'm hard to love. It won't be easy, so don't be lazy. Just give it to me, cause you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love. Boy, you know that I'm hard to love. I'm hard to love.
Alright, so I'm basically done at this point. I'm showing you guys I had 30 seconds to spare. So I thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and comment, because I love to talk to you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.
Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make you stop, cause baby I love you.